Old money. It's one of those terms you hear in movies or see referenced in classic novels, but what does it really mean? Old money isn't just about having wealth, it's a unique way of life built over generations that comes with a different mindset, habits, and values. Unlike new money, which typically refers to people who have recently become wealthy often through business, sports, entertainment, or tech, old money is generational. It's about families that have held on to and expanded their wealth for a long time, and there's a lot to learn from them if you want to build wealth that lasts. Let's break it down. Old money is built on stability and longevity. These families didn't just get rich overnight, and that's a huge part of their success. Rather than chasing trends, they prioritize stability. They invest in assets that have proven long-term value, like real estate, stocks, or companies with steady growth. There's no frantic flipping or gambling on risky investments, they're patient. This approach allows their wealth to grow steadily over time, often through compound interest and consistent returns. So, for anyone looking to build wealth, the lesson here is clear. Think long-term, not short-term gains. Another hallmark of old money is discretion and understated living. You've probably noticed that people with new money tend to flaunt it: luxury cars, designer clothes, grandiose homes. But with old money, you're less likely to see loud displays of wealth. They know the power of subtlety and the importance of blending in rather than standing out. That doesn't mean they don't enjoy nice things. It's more about valuing quality over quantity. Their clothes are often tailored but timeless, their cars are reliable yet refined, and their homes are built to last rather than impress. This is a powerful lesson about focusing on substance over show. Financial success doesn't require flashy displays. Sometimes, the quietest wealth is the most powerful. Education is another cornerstone of old money values. You'll often find that these families place a huge emphasis on learning, not just through formal education, but by gaining financial literacy and cultural knowledge. Many people with old money backgrounds are taught from a young age about finance, investments, and the importance of a well-rounded education. They understand the significance of passing this knowledge down, ensuring the next generation doesn't have to start from scratch. If you're building wealth, investing in education, whether that's learning about finance, exploring new cultures, or honing your skills, creates a foundation that will help you and future generations navigate the world. Then there's networking and maintaining relationships. People with old money know that wealth isn't just about money. It's about connections, reputation, and trust. They often cultivate relationships with influential people and make sure they maintain these connections over time. Networking becomes a part of their family tradition, and it's another reason their wealth endures. Their network isn't just a LinkedIn profile, but a genuine web of friends, partners, and associates who share similar values and goals. They know that being able to pick up the phone and get sound advice, help, or insights is priceless. For anyone aiming to build their wealth, building strong, authentic connections can be incredibly valuable. Another major difference with old money is their focus on legacy and purpose. Wealth isn't just a personal achievement for these families, it's a responsibility. They often use their resources for philanthropy, supporting causes they believe in, or setting up charitable foundations. This isn't just about tax benefits or image, it's a deeply rooted tradition of giving back. They see wealth as a way to create positive change, and that mindset strengthens their family's legacy. It also keeps future generations motivated to keep growing that wealth, knowing it serves a purpose beyond themselves. Then we have financial discipline. Old money families tend to be highly disciplined with their finances, living below their means and maintaining frugality despite their wealth. They don't overextend themselves or fall prey to financial trends. This discipline creates a protective buffer around their wealth, helping it survive recessions, market shifts, and unexpected expenses. Financial discipline is an incredible lesson for anyone. By sticking to a budget and being mindful of spending, you create a safety net that secures your financial goals. One of the more overlooked aspects of old money is their investments in real estate. Many old money families have extensive real estate portfolios, including properties in prime locations. Real estate provides not only a place to live, but also a tangible asset that appreciates over time and generates rental income. They understand that while stocks and bonds are valuable, real estate is something lasting, something you can pass down through generations. It's a lesson in investing in assets that retain or even gain value over time. Finally, there's the importance of family unity and tradition. Old money families often have strong family ties and a shared sense of purpose. They're committed to family gatherings, annual traditions, and ensuring everyone is aligned in terms of values and goals. They know that family unity is essential to keeping the legacy alive. This unity isn't just about wealth, it's about preserving a way of life and a family identity that has survived for generations. For anyone building wealth, prioritizing relationships with loved ones and cultivating shared values can give a greater sense of purpose and direction. In a world where quick success is often celebrated, the old money mindset offers a refreshing perspective. It's about building slow, steady, and meaningful wealth, focusing on what truly matters and understanding that true wealth is more than just numbers in a bank account. The more you can integrate these values, the closer you'll be to building a lasting legacy.